Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to learn how to do landscaping in Lumion. So let's start. So in this video, here you'll get the option for the landscaping. Just this is the SketchUp model. So surrounding of that, we need to create a landscaping. Here I need to create some mountain or hill. Here little up section. So go for that. Go for landscape and here you will get the option for height, next water, ocean, grass, here strip map and here paint. So one by one we will see. So first we will see how to create height. So in that how many dice it will come we can see. See if I'll go for height we'll get option of raise, lower, flatten, jitter and smooth. So first is raise. How to raise the flat surface we can see. Here if I will select the raise option, then you will get the option for brush size and brush speed. So I'll increase the brush size as you can see here. So just move the, see now it is flattened surface. I want to raise this so you can see. But now what happened? The brush speed it is more and brush size also more. So I can reduce it. You can also. So now it is too much raised as you can see surrounding of this building. So I want to make this portion as a flatten. So use this command flatten and then you can create it as a flatten. Suppose if you want to make it lower, just move the cursor at that place. At that time, the brush speed it should be C. As if you are beginner, you can use this brush speed at a, you have to reduce the brush speed and then you have to try this. Again, if I want to raise, just you can raise it like this. Just click the mouse left key like this. Now you can see the scene, but it is not covering in the scene. Let's do for this right hand side. So just go for this and then I want to raise the, see you can observe. Once if I will start clicking automatically the portion of that land automatically it will get raised. Now this is about how to raise the surface and how to make it lower like valley or hill you can. And flatten means you can see here I want to, if it is more sharp or more it is having more height you can make it flatten like this. Next, here it is jitter. Jitter, as name itself, it indicates you can observe like this. Like up and down surface, you can create like this. Jitter means. You can see here, I'll show you. See, it is like up and down structure. And it is smoother. If you want to make it, again you can go for smoother surface. Then go for again seam and you can observe. See, this portion we have created as a little high, we have raised this surface. So next I'll go for the front portion of this house. So I don't want grass. So I can change that material. Select this and you can change it from the other material. So various in that you'll get so many options. Or else we will go for landscape itself and then we will change. Suppose if I will give landscape grass. So what it happen? Remaining whatever portion of your land it will get converted into grass. If I will on this, see you can observe. Once if I will off, it will disappear. So grass size, if I will start changing, so what happens? See, inside the floor also the grass it will come. If you will change the, it will increase the grass size. Where you can use, if you are going to create side plan or anything, in that case you can use. Here also if you want, you can change, but the height of this building you have to change. So this is the grass in landscape. Next part is how to create water. So just go for that. Before that, I'll give show the pen, how to do the pen. So next, here brush size and the speed of brush. So here, see this portion. I want to create something sand structure. So here you can brush size. Why it is not going to apply? So as you can see, so this is the SketchUp model. So in that we can't do the any changes, but here I can do for the landscape. So I'm going to apply the paint, but it is not happening because it is the raised part. So whatever we have created in landscape, see, I'm applying, but if I will change the brush size, you can observe. See, randomly I will change like this. So brush means you can give the paint for the land. See, now this portion I want to create a sand. I have changed the brush size, but brush speed I have not changed. If I will change, see, rapidly it will get changed. So this is the advantage of paint option. So as you can see now here, surrounding of this building. Suppose I want to replace this sand into the green grass or something like this. See, automatically it will get replaced. As you can see in the scene, like this. So in landscape, first is height. In that we have seen raise, lower, flatten, jitter, and smooth option. Again, we have seen how to apply grass and then how to do the paint. So next is ocean and water. This both concept I will explain in one video. I will make separate video for that. I will share the link in description. You can go and check for that. I hope you have understand this concept, how to do the landscape in Lumion, how to create it. Just I'll give one exercise for you. You can go and check in description. Just try for that. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for the watching.